Otters. Right, are you ready for some maths? Now, in maths, remember, we only have 10 digits. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so including the 0, it makes 10 digits. Now they're the only digits we have in the whole of our number system. Now our numbers go on and on and on, and sometimes with maths children get quite afraid of maths because they think maths has really got big numbers and is scary. However, it's really not that scary because we've only got 10 digits. Our number system is just a pattern, a repeating pattern that goes on and on. So after 10, 9, we would have to use, rather than just, we've got no more digits, we just put 2 together. So we put a 1 in front of the 0 for 1, 10, no units. Then we go 10, and then we go 11, 12, 13, 14, and it's so on and so on. So it goes on and on in a big pattern. Now what's really important is to not be afraid of maths, is know that we can use numbers. So if I know that 2 add 1 equals, if I've got 2 fingers and then I add another one, that would be 3. Now, if I know 2 add 1 is 3, when you get bigger at the school, you'll know that 20 add 10 is 30. You will know that 200 add 100 is 300. You will know that 2,000 add 1,000 is 3,000. You would know that 2 million add 1 million is 3 million. So just by knowing that fact, 2 add 1 is 3, means you also know lots of other facts later on. So if I knew five take away 2 equals, let's see, I've got 5 oranges here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I take 2 away, how many have I got? 1, 2, 3. If I know 5 take away 2 is 3, when you get bigger, you'll also know that 50 take away 20 is 30, or you will know that 500 take away 200 is 300. 5,000, oh, it's Graham's 5s, I'm not very good. 5,000 take away 2,000 equals 3,000. And you'll know 5 million take away 2 million is 3 million. Okay, and that's the same with anything else. So I'll do what's 3 add 1. 1, 2, 3, add 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 add 1 equals 4. 30 add 10 equals 40. 300 add 100 equals 400. 3,000 add 1,000 would be 4,000. 3 million add 1 million would be 4 million. So just by knowing these little facts about these numbers means we can apply it to the big numbers. So the big numbers no longer seem so scary. So today what we're going to do is I want you to focus on a digit. Now I'm going to do number 5 because that is Miss Graham's favourite number. I love it. That is my birthday and I just love it anyway. I just love number 5. Do everything in 5s. So I'm going to have 5 oranges. Now, rather than just seeing a number as 5, I want you to be able to break that number apart into as many ways as you can, so you don't always just see it as 5, because otherwise what happens is when you have to add on later on, you will always have to put a number in your head and add on 5. But when you know your number bonds to 10, so let me just give you an example. So if you know, because I know you've been doing that, some of you, so if you know that 8 add 2 equals 10, so you know your number bonds to that. Now if I had 8 add 5, a lot of you would have to put 8 in your head and add 5. But if you know 8 add 2 is 5, you know that 8 add 2 makes 10 already, and then you'll have 3 left. So if you see 5 is the same as 2 add 3, 2 and 3 is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you know 8 add 5, 8 and 2 is 10, then 8 add 5 would be 10 to add the 2, and then 11, 12, 13. It just makes your adding up easier than always having to put one number in your head and counting on. So anyway, what I'm going to do today is I want us to really unpick each of these numbers. So you need to choose either 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10. But I'm going to show you what we do with number 5. So here's number 5. 5 add no more is 5. 1 add 4 is still 5. There's 1 there, 1, 2, 3, 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 add 4 is 5. If I move that one over, I've now got 2 here and 3 here. 2 add 3 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move another one over, I've now got 3 here and 2 here. 1, 2, 3, add 2 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can move another one over, now I've got 4, add 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, add 1 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or I could have 5 as nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, add nothing is 5. So I just want you to kind of see that 5 isn't just doesn't have to be stuck together. We can move it and manipulate that number as much as we want. But whether or not there's 2 there and 3 there, or whether there's 4 there and 1 there, I've still got 5 oranges. Okay, so what I'd like you to do is choose your number 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10. Mine's 5, so my number is 5. I would like to write down all the ways of making your number. So my first one would be 5 add 0 equals 5. Then I would do 1 add 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 5. Then I would do 2 add 3, 2 add 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's always 5. My next one would be 3 add 2 equals 5. 4 add 1 equals 5. 5 add 0 equals 5. Okay? So I want you to write down all the different ways you can make the number you've chosen. Then what I'd like you to do is, you can see on the blog, I've downloaded a picture that I took of my number 5, and there's many ways as I could make 5 with different objects. I'd like you to look at my photo that I've downloaded for you, and then I would like you to do the same thing for your number. So your challenge today is to find as many things in the house that you can pair up, but they can't be exact, okay? So you might have 4 oranges and 1 apple, but you wouldn't have that because you're not doing 5. But you might have, if you're doing 6, you might have 3 bananas and 3 apples, okay? But when you look at the picture that Miss Graham's done for you, that should all make sense. You can look at my picture first and see how many different ways you can make 5 out of all the objects that I've arranged for you. Okay, I hope you have some fun today. Take care. Bye.